Sky.
What the fuck, man?
Whole lot of bad, whole lot of cash. Whole lot of hoe, whole lot of ass. Young nigga, I spread. Gotta wave my flag. Gotta beat you back.
Alright, so what's up? We in Walmart. We about to do a public prank. Let me see.
Yeah, we gonna do the little spray bottle, you know.
Yes, sir. Basically, what we about to do here, hold this. So basically, put it on. We about to go up somebody, straight act like we sneezing. Oh!
Sky.
What the fuck, man?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god.
No, we did not.
I got bad. I apologize.
Sky.
I'm so sorry. I apologize.
Oh my god.
Right.
She said we needed Reese's Jello. It's like you need some medicine.
My bad.
Sky.
I did not mean to.
You get me, Charles.
I apologize.
Okay.
I apologize.
You okay, bro?
I'm so sorry.
Sky.
I'm so sorry. I mean, I just came off a go, but it's going on.
Smart balance.
Got some?
This water, right?
I know, man. I'm sick.
I saw the tip already.
You saw what?
The water tip already.
Alright, go subscribe to me, damn boy.
Be so proud of him. I'm so proud of him.
Oh girl, look at him.
So proud of him.
Oh girl, look at him. Oh girl, look at him.